Cezanne, and here at Christ Church of Orlando, our goal is to make you a fully devoted follower of Christ. One of the ways we do that is through our Growth Track program, which is a series of 4 classes that are an on-ramp to Christ Church, our discipleship program, and ministry involvement. The first class is called Church 101. It is a basic introduction to the vision and purpose of our church. It will also help you understand church membership. The second Growth Track class is Essentials 201. In this class, we'll lead you through the essential beliefs and habits that every Christian should know. Discovery 301 is the third class in the series, where you will discover how God has given you unique gifts and passions for specific roles in ministry. Lastly, in Dream Team 401, you'll attend an orientation and training in the ministry area of your choice. The Growth Track is complete when you join a ministry team. So get on the fast track at Christ Church of Orlando and attend the next Growth Track.